Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, check net. After check internet device, turn off power saving. Open setting, scroll down, click on battery, scroll down, click on battery saver and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off power saving from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset mobile network setting and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.